So this is how the passage looks like, and the walls are beautifully decorated on this passage. So let's go to my room. This is my room, and it's a single room. So here we are. As you come in, this is the wardrobe. The wardrobe. You can see, and it's got a safe for you to keep your valuables. So to reset the safe, please call the reception desk. And it's got a small fridge, and of course a complimentary, I think, water. You get that every day anyway. Complimentary water and tea supply. And of course here you're going to see you can see this. That's the TV. Yeah, that's the TV stand. That's just my one kind of tripod stand. That's the bedside stuff there. Those things are mine. And of course, this is the bed. Can you see the bed? Can you see the bed? So very beautiful. Let's see the bathroom. Yeah, this is the bathroom, of course. See the toilet? That's my own toilet back here. Of course, this and the man in the mirror. This one is look at the woman in the mirror. So that is it. Can you see it? The whole of it. From top to the bottom. And of course, a shower. And if you don't want to use shower, this is it. A towel. What else? This is for the tea, of course. This is the lamp, and of course, so that's the end of the room. To be honest with you, it's a very beautiful place, which I would recommend anytime you want to. If you live in Ibadan, this is a place as a family. You need to just plan. Go on their website. I think they have all the details. They typically do most of their things from their website. On your website, you can bring your spouse here if the two of you need just a break from all the chaos, and also family. To be honest with you, I think this is a good place for, I don't know, whether it's economy, honeymoon. You just want, especially if you've had a very good, just come in and chill. Watch out for how will I call it, of the video of my forest tour, because they are taking me around the forest. There's a forest here. And if you like any of this that you're saying, don't forget to click the like button just to encourage me to say yes, you're good. I'm sharing my life, my peace. This is me walking back to my room, and thanks for watching. If you have not subscribed and you have watched up until this place, what are you waiting for? Click that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.